This will be an in-depth guide on how to be a superhero. Yeah. First, let's talk about how to get superpowers. To get superpowers, you can do one of the following things. Get exposed to high amount of radiation. It doesn't matter how you get radiated, you can either get bit by a radioactive spider or you can jump into the core of a nuclear power plant. This method can lead to two possible outcomes. In one, you get superpowers. In the other, you get death. Modify your DNA. You can nowadays modify your DNA, like there are methods like CRISPR that can modify DNA or parts of the DNA. The drawback of this method is that genome editing is hard and you might die. Get rich. This is the most viable way of becoming superhero. Get a power suit, not this power suit. You can either build it yourself or you can pay someone to build. The drawback is that if it is not made properly, it might self-destruct and give you a permanent sit in hell. Get blind. Have you seen Daredevil? You get heightened sense with blindness. Drawback is that you might just end up being blind and nothing else. Get exposed to huge amount of gamma rays. Possibilities are that you will get super strength, but those rays will cause ionization which will damage tissue and DNA, which will lead to death. Be an alien. There is no drawback to it, just be an alien. Now, after getting superpowers, you just need to do one thing. Help civilians and you will be a superhero. Or they will make you a god. It depends on how they will react. The other thing you can do by having superpowers is to annihilate the fucking world.